Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Jade Sword in Dead Rails Roblox. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is reach the Sterling mines on the train. Over here, collect the Jade Tablets. There are 4 in total. One of them is already placed inside the secret room. After that, go to the church near Sterling Town and grab the Jade Tablet behind the altar. Then head into the mine entrance and pick up the Jade Tablet behind the overturned mine cart. After that, find the chamber with the strange mask and use dynamite to access the area. Then pick up the Jade Tablet inside. Then return to the mine entrance, go right, and then immediately take the left path. Over here, you will find a tunnel with 3 stacked barrels. Clear the barrels to reveal the stone door. After that, place all 4 Jade tablets on the circular red platform to unlock the door. Then go inside and pick up the Jade Sword. So that's basically how you can get Jade Sword in Dead Rails Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.